matinding pagsubok that time. But then, what I learned is the Lord opened up another form of ministry to me, which is this online ministry, yung going into Facebook, going into live streams, sharing Jesus, sharing the Word of God online. And so, marami ng tao yung nasa loob ng bahay. So, everyone is isolated, merong social distancing, hindi sila makalabas. And so, mas nauso yung mga Zoom, nauso yung mga Gmeets, nauso yung mga online gatherings. And so, grabe yung uh, help ng technology during that time. And doon ako, na-open ni Lord na, oo, pwede palang magkaroon ng ganong ministry where I can share my passion for Jesus. I can share Jesus to my generation in that way, in that platform online. And so maraming realization